We love summer.
I'm glad there's no school.
Yes, me too.
3 months of summer to do whatever you want. I like having sleepovers, staying up all night, sleeping in a lot.
Yeah, me too.
I like the weather because it's sunny, you can go swimming. It gives good weather for the beach.
The one thing I like about summer is volleyball.
Well, I really love taking pictures with my Polaroid. Then I have rainbow film. I will tape them to my mirror, wake up every morning, take another picture.
I like to play volleyball at the beach with my sister sometimes.
I'll go around the neighborhood and I'll take pictures of either like sunsets or palm trees or flowers, anything really that like catches my eye.
In the summer, I like to use coconut because it reminds me when I go to Lake Tahoe with my cousins.
I like to use the flavor pina colada of Lip Smackers in the summer because it reminds me of the beach. I go for like a week, so I'm always drinking fancy drinks and having fun at the beach, so this one, I use that one a lot.
We love summer.
We want to hear what you're doing for summer.
Tell us in the comments below.